From Table of Contents, tap Teaching Files. There are 3 sections in Teaching Files: images, audios, and videos, published papers, and textbooks in PDF format that we call them ebooks. Let's assume that we had an interesting case of adnexal mass and we want to add 3 images to teaching files. Select the first option, images, audios, and videos. Tap the plus sign. From the menu, select a method for importing the image. You can import from Photos Library, from iCloud files. You can capture the image directly with your iPad camera, or you can copy the image from your packs and wirelessly paste it here. Let's copy the images from packs and paste them one by one. After pasting the first image, we need to enter a short description for the file. You can follow your department's policy to add a description to each image or file. The description must be unique, otherwise the image will not be accepted. It is a good idea to include some keywords and clinical information to be helpful when someone is searching for certain abnormalities, and the clinical information adds more educational value. Let's say this is a large, complex adnexal mass in 26-year-old female. Our modality is ultrasound and image number is 1. Now we paste the second image, which is a color Doppler, and add a similar description for ultrasound number 2 and add color Doppler at the end. The third image is an extended field of view. We paste the image and add the description for ultrasound number 3 and add EFOV for extended field of view. As soon as we import these images, they will automatically be loaded to all of your devices in your department and everyone will have access to them. If there are a lot of cases in your teaching files, you can use the search field to input a keyword to find related cases. For example, the last 3 images that we added were related to adnexal mass. If we use the keyword adnexal mass in the search field, all cases that have adnexal mass in their description will be filtered out. Now we can simply tap on each case to see its image. First one was the grayscale. The second image was the color Doppler. And the third image was the extended field of view. To differentiate between images, videos, and audio files, video files have a playback icon, audio files have a music icon, and images have a thumbnail image next to them. Let's try one of the video and audio files. This is a case of interesting artifact from a kidney stone. I call it juggling artifact. And this is the sound of a high-grade stenosis in carotid bifurcation. Other 2 sections of teaching files belong to educational papers and reference books. I think these sections are very useful to ultrasound staff and students, as they have immediate access to latest papers and reference books at any time. Anyone can add images, audios, and videos to teaching files, but only admin users have the authority to add papers and ebooks.